For question 1c, you are asked to integrate this fraction 2 sine square x plus 1 over cosine square x. And you take note that tangent theta is actually sine theta over cosine theta. So which means you can split the fraction given as 2 sine square x over cosine square x plus 1 over cosine square x. And because tangent is sine over cosine, this will give you 2 tangent square x. 1 over cosine theta is secant theta. So this will give you 1 over cosine square will give you secant square x. So that's why it becomes 2 tangent square x plus secant square x. And like the previous question, I mentioned about tangent square cannot be integrated, but tangent square can be changed to secant square x minus 1. You have the identity tangent square is secant square theta minus 1. So you change it, and then you expand it out. You'll find that it should give you 2 secant square plus another secant square from the 1 over cosine square, right? So it's 3 secant square x minus 2. So which means to integrate this trigo fraction is just 3 integrate secant square x minus 2. There's a 2 times minus 1, so minus 2. So 2 will integrate will give you 2x. So the final answer is 3 tangent x minus 2x plus c. So remember, tangent square has to be converted to secant square minus 1. Then sine over cosine is tangent. 1 over cosine is secant theta. We may use all these trigo identities to make it into secant square and the number 2, which both can be integrated. So for trigo function, you really need practice to know what to do.